This is Oliver. Welcome to a Forex market review. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so before I do any of my analysis, I always start on the dollar index. This tells me whether the dollar pair is going to be bullish or bearish, and it's just another source of confidence for me. So right now we're looking at a dollar index, and let's take a look at the market structure. Okay, we've had a pretty much a change in trend, and I'm assuming pullbacks off a longing. Okay, but for this week, I'm looking at this high to be rated. Okay, we've got a daily high here, right into this daily mitigation block. So people who long this failure swing here, they'll be looking to mitigate their longs and flip shorts. Okay, so that'll be my first selling target. Or we could trade up into this liquidity void right here. There's a gap in the market. Alright, so I'm expecting a raid of this high, take some profits off this long. Okay, because look at how many bullish days we've been having. Okay, so there needs to be some profit taking above the swing high, fill in this liquidity void, and then sell off from there. Okay, first target when we sell off would be this mitigation block right here. Okay, so the people that thought this market was going to create a lower low, they're going to mitigate their shorts right here and open long positions. Okay, cool. Alright, so for the cable, let's start off on the daily chart. Okay, so for the daily, let's not forget that this is really bullish. Okay, so just take a look at the market structure. Okay, basically trending up. Okay, and right now it's really overbought. Okay, and I'm expecting some sort of retracement into this range. Okay, let me explain why. Okay, so if we go into the 4 hour, let's look at the range we're trading in right now. So basically we're trading this range low to this range high. Okay, so let's be range high, this should be equilibrium, and this will be range low. So basically, okay, the market could be permitted to be bought again at equilibrium, so we could see a continuation up to the upside from there. Alright, but what would make me bullish on this, if we trade past this order block right here, this H4 order block, if we manage to cleanly close above it and flip it at support, I'm bullish on cable instantly. Okay, but I don't think that's going to happen for now. What I'm expecting for cable is basically for us to trade up, hit this H4 order block, and then continue finding some more buy orders before we see a continuation to the upside. So where would that be? Well, let's hunt these stops into our bullish order block, where the market can be permitted to be bought again, which is anywhere below equilibrium. Okay, this is a discount, and you know the banks are greedy fucks. So if I could draw my fib on this range low to this range high, you would see I have another source of confidence. We have this 0.79 fib as well. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting for cable. So once again, let's recap that. Alright, I'm expecting a retracement into here, and then a sell-off hunting these lows and these lows, ultimately into this bullish block right here. Alright, but if we manage to break structure, claim this as support, okay, then I'd expect this just continue trading to the upside, because it's basically at the equilibrium already. So this is permitted to be bought already. So we'll see about that. This block right here should act bearish for the bears to sell down, but if it doesn't, then it's bullish. Okay, and we can start hunting all these highs right here and continue to the upside, continuing the trend on the daily chart. Okay, don't forget this is hella bullish. All right, so that's what I've got for the cable. Okay, UJ, let's start off from the daily chart. I'm expecting some reversal to happen. Okay, so we've taken out this high. It's not enough. Okay, we'll keep striving for more liquidity, which is a huge sign of distribution for me. So what I'm expecting to happen is basically, let's take a look in the 4 hour here. Okay, and if I press Control Y, we can see that this is the high of last week and this is the low of last week. What I'm expecting to happen is another raid into the previous week's high, forming a triple drive. So 1, 2, 3, triple drive. Then I'm expecting a break in structure. This forms the high of the week. Break in structure. We can short the retest, maybe Monday's low or equilibrium, into the clean liquidity pool here, or into this daily block right here. So I'm expecting a triple drive to happen, break in structure, that's your short into this clear liquidity pool, and then into this daily block right there. Okay, so that's what I've got for you, Jay. Alright, for fiber, alright, let's keep in mind that daily direction is bullish. We've had a market structure shift, we've had a raid on these lows, so that would be accumulation below a double bottom. Then we had a break in structure. Okay, so any pullback now is an opportunity to long. Okay, so I'm bullish on the daily here, but let's go into the 4 hour and see. Let's hunt for some opportunities. So on the 4 hour, I see that we are basically trading in a range from this low to this high. And basically what we're doing now is we're reacting off this order block. I've drawn out the 50% of it, the mean threshold, and we're holding it beautifully. Okay, so bullish case is we break structure from here, take out this high, long the pullback, or you can long, we'll get into that in a bit, but we want to break structure here, continue to upside, gain the equilibrium with this range, and then we'll continue trading into these highs and filling in this void. Okay, so I'm pretty bullish on the fiber here. I do think the low is in. Bearish case scenario is we sell off from this block right here, and we hunt the stops here into this bullish daily order block right here. And then if we reject off the range here, then I expect us to just keep hunting these lows, basically. What I'm looking for though is, let's Control Y here. This is the last week's low. I'm just gonna wait for a raid. We'll probably get it. We'll probably get it into this ghost block right here. These wicks. We'll probably see a raid right there, raiding last week's low into this ghost block, and then we'll see a break in structure. And then, yes, my targets would be these clean highs right here and these clean highs right here. So I do think we're gonna have a really bullish week for the fiber. Okay, anyways, those are the 3 pairs I'm looking for this week. Hopefully you guys have learned something new here. Any questions, make sure to tag me in the channel, and I always reply to you guys. So yeah, let's get straight to this week. See you guys later.